Hi scientists! Today we are going to be learning about kinetic and potential energy and making a confetti cannon. In order to make your confetti cannon today, you are going to need a paper cup about this big. We're going to cut the bottom out to make a hole. So you will also need some scissors. It's helpful if they're pointy, so if you are not allowed to use pointy scissors, make sure you have a grown-up helping you. This part can be a little tricky. You are also going to need a balloon and some duct tape. I have some duct tape wrapped around a little straw for me here. And you're gonna need some confetti for our cannon to launch. All right, we've got all of our ingredients here. We've got a balloon, we've got our paper cup, confetti, some duct tape, and scissors to make our confetti cannon. We are ready to go. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is cut the bottom out of our cup. So you're probably gonna want a grown-up to help you with this because you're gonna need to use kind of some pointy scissors. And you're gonna kind of have to saw the cup. What I like to do is do about halfway and then tear it out with my fingers the rest of the way. It's okay if it's a little rough, that's totally fine. There's still enough room for our confetti to get out. So we're gonna want a cup just like this. It's like a giant hole. All right, then we're gonna take our balloon and we are going to cut about, the top third off of our balloon here. So you can kind of see this round part here, and I'm gonna cut about a third off or so. Can be a little bit shorter, can be a little bit longer. Gonna cut about a third off of that. All right. Then we are going to put that balloon right on the top of our cup. Now, it keeps popping off, like you see. So we're gonna take some duct tape and we are going to tape our balloon onto the cup. So let me get my duct tape prepped here. I'm gonna stick my balloon back on there. Hopefully it'll stay on long enough for me to get some duct tape on there. All right, we're gonna duct tape all the way around here. It's okay if it's not perfect, just as long as the balloon stays on. That's the goal. I'm gonna duct tape all the way around, use up all my duct tape, make sure that that balloon is on there really securely. Give it a little tug. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna tie a knot. You might have to have a grown-up help you do this as well. We're gonna tie a little knot in the end of our balloon. And then our confetti cannon is ready to go. So how this works is we are converting potential energy when I pull on the balloon to kinetic energy when I release it. So you can feel that potential energy. You can feel it's kind of trying to tug you back. And then when you let it go, we've got actual energy of motion, kinetic energy, that's gonna get transferred to our confetti. So let's go ahead. We're gonna put our confetti in there. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. So now that you've made your confetti cannon, maybe see what else you can launch. Maybe, is there other things that use potential or kinetic energy? Do some experimenting. Can you make your confetti launch further if you use a bigger cup? What about if you use a bigger or smaller balloon? How does that change things? Make sure you experiment. And I would like to thank Boeing for sponsoring our Science with Sara videos. Thank you, Boeing. And until next time, stay curious.